What's going on, guys? Cam here. I'm here to give you some insight about this company called Sugar and Kush. They make CBD products in a lot of different flavors, ranging from an unflavored version to a hazelnut, which is perfect for coffee in the morning, as well as cotton candy and vanilla, which is nice for baking. I've been using this company for about a month now. I take a few drops before bed and in the morning. My sleep's a lot better. My anxiety levels are pretty low now. They were a little bit higher in stressful situations, which we all have during the day. This product contains 0 THC, so it's perfect for all you people that get drug tested, as well as it is 99% pure CBD isolate, which is great. Give this company a shot. Check them out, Sugar and Kush. Tell me which flavor you like, and if you guys have any questions, feel free. Peace.